On April 8, 2024, there will be a total solar eclipse, a rare celestial event where the moon aligns perfectly with our planet's host star, creating a surreal experience. During the eclipse, it will feel like nightfall during the day, even if you're not directly in the path of totality. This phenomenon won't occur again for observers in the lower 48 U.S. states until 2044. Now, here's the exciting part. Warby Parker, known for its trendy yet affordable eyewear, is stepping up to help everyone safely witness this celestial spectacle. Starting April 1st, all Warby Parker stores will give away free solar eclipse viewing glasses. You can grab up to 2 pairs per family while supplies last. American Paper Optics manufactures these glasses and is ISO certified. This certification ensures that they meet international safety standards for solar viewing. Specifically, they reduce visible sunlight to safe levels and block nearly all solar ultraviolet and infrared radiation. Without proper protection, staring directly at the sun during an eclipse can pose a serious risk of permanent retinal damage. But wait, there's more. If the free glasses run out, Warby Parker stores will offer a special pinhole viewer that allows you to view the eclipse safely. You can even download the viewer template online for some printable DIY action if you can't visit a store. NASA also provides instructions on how to create your own pinhole viewer using regular paper. So mark your calendars, grab those free eclipse glasses, and get ready for an astronomical spectacle on April 8th.